Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the right crisper drawer in this LG refrigerator, extend the crisper drawer out and lift it up to remove. Remove the new crisper drawer from the packaging. Guide the crisper drawer into its tracks and slide it back in the fridge cavity. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.